What's up, everybody? Sorry for the wind. I've been waiting days to record this. The wind just won't stop down here in sunny South Florida, but I'm gonna break this down and show you guys anyways. I built me out like a little camp setup, not too fully permanent because I don't go as camping as often as I'd like, so I still want to be able to use my truck. But out of 2 sheets of plywood and some locking drawer sliders and some scraps that I had at the house, I was able to build this little setup right here. Show you. I was able to lock it down just by using the plywood in the grooves of my bed liner. Had some extra angled aluminum that I used to support it to help it a little stronger. It's 1/2-inch plywood. You know, I built a 7-foot slide-out drawer system. In the back, if you lift the carpet up, there's a compartment to get access to space behind the wheel well. Very simple. Let's look at it. So that's 5 feet to the back of the drawer. You know, we're building up our supplies. We're figuring out what we need. And you have your grill here. And I have a lid that can go on top of this that I'm going to use as extra counter space when I'm at camp. And then we have this that makes it 7 feet, 2-foot slide out drawer. Just very simple. Tried to use as little materials as I can because wood's so expensive right now. I wanted to be as light as I could. It worked out. But you know, I'm still tweaking it. I want to put some stainless on top of here, some stainless on the cover that goes on this space, and I want to seal it with something. I don't know what yet, but I definitely want to seal it so that the wood lasts. It's protected from moisture, stuff like that. Very simple. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. I hope you like this video. I'm going to keep doing my little projects like this. Eventually, I want to be able to record step by step building it. But right now it's hard for me to do that with everything I got going on. So I just like to show you, you know, part of the way through the build. There's still some things to do to update it to make it more complete. But for the most part, it's working out how I wanted. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the notification bell so you can see when I post my other videos. Go to scissorhands.com. You can get barber merch. You can get bus merch. I'm working on making some, you know, merch for the truck. Because I know a lot of you out there like these first-gen Tacomas, and if you know, you know, you can't kill them. But hope y'all like the video. We'll catch y'all next time.